Well, here is where it was residing before, but now freshened up. This is where it will be placed for the duration of the holidays. I've elevated it on some of the books that stay on this book table, and what that does is it helps it be seen and a little bit more prominent so that it's above the cushions of the couch. And I think it's really, really beautiful. And Stuart, if you back up just a little bit, ever so slowly, and I think you'll be able to see that the profusion of berries and greenery in this footed container echoes everything that's on my set dining table, and I think it's really beautiful, and it kind of matches the theme, and it just kind of matches what was in my imagination at the outset. But wait, there's one more thing that I need to share with you that falls into the category of this kind of drives me crazy, and I wanted to come up with a solution, and I think I have. So just recently, I had the cushions to my dining room chairs recovered. I think I told you that I wanted to start incorporating a little bit more blue into my interior decor. So typically, there's my cushion and there's my chair, but this is my table, and that is very, very discordant. It doesn't really look good together. Now for the short term, until we sit down and dine, I'm just going to turn them over so that they really aren't in contrast with one another. But for the long term, this is what I'm going to do. And this might be something, Stuart, that I ask of Susu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just have some slip covers made for this. Some solid envelope slip covers that I'm going to make probably out of this kind of bone color. And then all I'll have to do when I have a tablecloth that does not match this blue fabric, all I'll have to do is just slip them into those little envelopes. I won't even secure them in the back, just slip them in, put them on. And so for temporary occasions like this, when I have a tablecloth that does not match my normal aesthetic, it will still look beautiful and it won't drive me crazy. Well, Stuart, here's my outfit of the day from top to bottom, starting out with a very bad hair day because it's got so much static electricity in it. I've shocked myself a couple of times. I went to the supermarket this morning and I had a hat on and it's been downhill ever since. My earrings are these wonderful Madewell hoops. These are probably some of my very, very favorite earrings of all time. My sweater, gosh, this is old. I have had this for years and years and years. It is from J. Crew and I love it, and it's the perfect red for the season, and it perfectly echoes the color of my berries on my table. The shirt underneath it is a sleeveless, just collared shirt. I got this thrifted, and this is a tip of the day, a thrifting tip. Is this our number 3 thrifting tip maybe to put on your thrifting list? Because next time I go to the store, I am going to be looking for sleeveless collared shirts because I love the way you can wear them under sweaters like this and they don't feel so bulky and make you look like you've added a few extra pounds, because Lord, we don't need that over the holidays. My necklace, gosh, is also very, very old. This was one of the first pieces of jewelry Hubs ever gave me. I can remember wearing it when I was still in the business world, Stuart, with lots of suits. My breeches are Calvin Klein thrifted. My shoes are Morel boots, and they are so comfortable.
I didn't realize those were Morel. Those are
I
nice.
know, aren't they great? And they are, more importantly, they are so comfortable. I
like
took
the black
them,
too. Wow.
yeah, and I took them to my last trip to Santa Fe, and I was able to walk in them, and they kept my feet warm.
We're all just Santa Fe people in the making.
Yes, and then this ring is one of them that I think we put a link to last time. This is just 18 karat gold plated, and it is from Amazon. So have I forgotten anything?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm going to go see what I can do about this hair now.
See ya.